Are you trying to choose between DokuWiki and MediaWiki? You are not alone. Many people wonder which one is better for their needs. In this video, we'll compare these two popular wiki tools. Both are great for creating and managing content, but they have different features and uses. DokuWiki is known for its simplicity, it's easy to install, and doesn't require a database. This makes it great for small teams or personal projects. You can quickly set up a wiki and start adding pages without much hassle. On the other hand, MediaWiki is the software behind Wikipedia. It's powerful and highly customizable. It's perfect for larger projects or organizations that need more features. MediaWiki supports complex content and has a vast range of extensions available. Now, let's look at the key differences. DokuWiki is lightweight and user friendly. It's perfect for those who want something straightforward. MediaWiki, however, is more robust. It offers advanced features but has a steeper learning curve. When it comes to features, DokuWiki offers easy editing, a simple syntax, and good version control. MediaWiki has a rich set of tools, including templates and a strong community for support. If you need advanced functionality, MediaWiki might be the way to go. In terms of pricing, both tools are free to use. However, MediaWiki may require more resources if you need hosting or technical support. So, who should choose what? If you want a simple, easy to use tool, go for DokuWiki. But if you need something powerful and flexible, MediaWiki is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.